Hello everyone, today I will try my new tires for the 2025 season. I think this tire is really nice in the winter. Yes! Oh, fucking hell! This will be so fucking nice in the winter. Really nice. I didn't expect that good traction. Holy shit. Oh, it's really good traction. Whew. Holy mama. Fuck it. This is fun. Holy shit. Oh, I think I need to turn off the ABS. Why didn't I buy both this tire before? It's a good question. Holy shit! It's insane! Woo! Holy crap! Woo! So good! Woo! Oh my god! Woohoo! Whoa! Shit! Oh! Holy crap! Oh! My helmet is starting to fog, what is called. I can't see so much. Should take my MX helmet next time, I think, but I can't speak in that. Maybe I should put some microphone and Motovlog stuff in that too. This will just be a really short vlog, but I wanted to test the tires on the snow cone. Really good. Really good. Oh. I think the cars will think I'm crazy at riding in this weather. Oh, this is fucking sick. Oh my god. I can't see anything when my visor is down. That's sad. And when I throw it up, I got all the snow in the eyes. So I can't see something either then. Let's try a wheel again. Little bit. I need more snow. It's almost only asphalt here. And it's too much asphalt. Fuck, I hate when I can't see anything. Should we try something like this? These also work. Yep. Really nice. Think if some car will come now, they think I'm crazy. Going off-road with a 700 Supermoto on the winter. I don't think so many doing this thing. Oh, but I'm being so fucking tired when I'm driving now. And my eyes eating all the snow. I really need another helmet for this. I could go faster if I could see something. Holy shit. Holy. Oh. Woo. Woo. Holy shit. Let's go up the road. Oh, I'm so tired. So fucking tired. Huh. Try a wheelie. Oh, yes, yes. It's a little bit sketchy. Woo! I need more snow. If you have the chance to try this, you should buy winter tires and go for it if you have winter. It's 100% worth it. 100%. Whoa! Woohoo! Woo! Holy shit! And there's a car. Like, what the fuck is he doing? Oh, whew. Whoa, holy shit. Let's go with water. Oh. Oh, fuck, I can't see anything. Why didn't I use my MX helmet? Oh. It's pure love. People that say the bike should only be ridden in the summer is wrong. Completely wrong. This is fun. Woo! Oh, I want to go fast, but I can't do it because I can't see anything. Fucking hell. Woo! When you go over 100 and get the snow in your eyes, it really hurts. Oh, holy shit. Maybe let's go back. really hoping the winter is coming now and staying for a while. If the winter is staying, I will make a lot of winter riding movies this year. And like I said before, I really need another helmet because this is hard. I think I could jump here if I had good speed. Whoa. Fucking. And remember to comment if you want to see more of this content. If you want to see a motor vlogging, winter riding together, or only like to see winter riding, because if I change the helm right now I can't do some vlogging when I don't get more stuff, and I don't want to throw every motor vlogging stuff out of this helmet. The grip is really, really good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I could jump that if I had. Oh, water. So the IC zone is not started yet, like you can see. If I can get up speed and see something, I could try to do this jump here. Yeah, a little bit here. That could be a really sick jump. Really good spot. Whoa, whoa. It's so much grip that I can't really drift it. Whew. It's throwing up the front wheel also in the corners. I think a set of these tires is around 450 euros. And it fits regular Supermoto wheels. Oh, slippery. Oh, it's too bad with snow. Sorry for my English, it's also bad. Let's go off-road again. It's just... Whoa, whoa. It was a very steep angle here. Oh. I would like to try to jump one of these small roads. Woo! So a little bit slippery here. Oh my god. Woo! Woo! I have no fucking idea what I'm riding on. And this bike is a lot heavier than a stock MX bike. Whoop. Shit. Let's try a wheelie here again. I really hope it works. Yes! Woo! Ah, this was fun. Let's go. Oh, yep. Yeah, let's go home. See you next time.